Now we're going to be using Cash Alert for doing this transaction, which is buying data at a very cheaper price. That includes MTN, Glo Line Mobile Airtel network in Nigeria. So to get started, you have to just use the link in the description of this video to kind of click on the link. You'll be directed to a platform which is called Cash Alert NG. We're making a lot of review on the channel about this platform. Now, what is Cash Alert? It's a V2 platform that enable you to vend products at a very cheap rate. Not only that, you can buy product at a very cheap rate, you can also engage on their reward program that pays you a lot of money in the process. So we're going to be using it for this training purpose. So you just have to click on login, just have to click on login or register. So I already have an account on the platform, so I don't need to actually do that. So once you are here, just quickly have to put in your mobile device, mobile phone number, and of course your password, which you define when you are doing registration. So let me just quickly show you how to do registration. For those of you that are new, you just have to just click on register. Once you're on the login page here, you just have to click on this create an account. Okay, so once you click on create an account, it will take you to this place, which of course you simply fill up your form. You fill your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email. Now you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to the place where you have to define your PIN. Your PIN is what you are going to be using for transactions. So it's a 4-digit PIN you have to define. They have to select your state, and then you put your password, and then referral code. Make sure you use our referral code, which is 081 36367446. That's our referral code. Okay. Now, apart from that, you have to put your email. You make sure that this email is correct, because this time is going to send you an OTPS to verify that you're a human. So you shouldn't put a wrong email address, because if you don't put a right email address, you will not be able to log in to do any transaction on the platform. So once you are done with that, you have to just click on login and then put your password and your phone number, and then hit that word login button. So just have to click on this login button. So once you click on login button, it will take you to your own personalized account, which of course is a virtual account that enable you to do transaction on the platform. So this is the notification that shows you what is happening on the platform as regard to maybe that a kind of like offers or announcement. So make sure you pay attention to that once you are logged in into the system. So right now, I'm going to the first thing you have to do first is to check how much you have on the system, which of course is the balance you have on the system. So right now I have enough balance to buy the data, but I just want to walk you on how to load money in your wallet. Just click on this fund. Okay, so if you're actually on your mobile accessing this, it's going to look like this. You just have to click on fund. It's mobile friendly. That's one thing I like on the platform. So just click on fund. So once you click on fund, you'll be directed to the place where you have to see your own personalized account. This is your own you are going to see your own account here. Just 3 banks. Okay, so that's just the available means of payment. There's no card available. There's no manual payment. Everything is automated here. Okay, so you have to just put in paying into any of this account that is displayed on the screen right now. As in, don't pay to this particular account. You are going to be seeing your own account. Okay, so once you are done with the payment, you just have to go back to your home page. Okay, just click on this home. So once you click on home, you'll be directed to the place. You just have to check your balance. You'll be able to see that your money will reflect immediately. So once you have the money with you now, the next thing is to buy the data at a very cheap price. Before you can actually think of buying data, you need to actually look at the prices. So you just click on this view prices. This pricing is going to give you an estimate view of how the amount you're going to be buying irrespective of any network you're using. Okay, so if you scroll down right now, you're able to see here that is about 3 different packages, which is subscriber, agent, and vendor. So once you are registered, you're actually seen as a subscriber. So this is the plan for MTN at the moment, because when you say at the moment, because prices may change anytime. Okay, so price is not always constant, but at the meantime, this particular video, the price at the rate of 1 gig is 278 naira at the moment, while that of agent is 273 naira, while that of a vendor is 268 naira. Okay, so apart from that, you also have Airtel here. You can see the Airtel plan. You can see the network as like the amount Airtel 1 gig is sold here is 310. Then this one is 300, this one is 290. So you just quickly have to know the network you're going for. Like I'm going for, if it is Glow, you can also see Glow here. Let me show you Glow. Glow is also here. This is actually the amount, 1 gig is so 320. This one is 300 and then 285. That's for Glow network. Okay, so but the one I'm going to be going for is that of MTN, because that's what I'm using. Your own network may be different. You can be using Airtel or Glow or Nine Mobile. Any network you're using, you can actually vend product here at instant, guys. So once you are here, you just have to click on buy data. There's two ways you can actually click. Either you click on this place or you also click on this one. They are all the same thing. It's going to take you to the same place. So you're just going to click on buy data. So once I've clicked on that, the next thing is for me to select the network, which on this case is going to be MTN. I'm going to select MTN. I'm going to be using mobile so that you actually see that you can do this on your mobile device. So just select the SME, then select data plan. Here I'm going to use, there's several plans here, but I want to just buy that of 500 megabytes. Then you just have to put the phone number that you want to subscribe the data on. So make sure that you don't make mistake. Make sure you enter the right phone number, okay? So the right phone number is going to help you to subscribe as like you don't make mistake, because if you put any number that is not, for instance, your customer is actually want to buy data as if you want to do a resell on this platform, and then he makes mistake in a particular digit, it's going to send to that particular line. So, and there is no reverser on that. So click on buy data, okay? So just click on this buy data. Then you're able to see the prompt. This time it's going to tell you that you want to do a subscription to this particular line. All you have to do is to just say yes, and then put your 4-digit PIN, which of course you define when you're actually making registration. So I'm going to just put my, and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, the system actually going to authorize this transaction and send the data to the recipient. And voila, you can see that the data has been delivered automatically. This is also applicable to other network, okay? You can actually buy other network. You can see the data is actually delivering instantly on this platform, guys. So what are you waiting for? Use the link in the description of this video to sign up right now, okay? So once you sign up with the link in the description of this video, the second step, that's like you have like 3 steps to follow. First of all, you have to sign up with the link in the description of this video, verify your account by going to your inbox or spam folder to check the email that was sent to you by the system. The second step you have to take is to load money into your wallet. So once you load money into your wallet, which is very important, because without money you cannot actually buy products, right? So once you load money to your wallet, the next step is to buy product, which of course you are seeing actually was showing you on this what's called on this training. So for those of you that want to engage into the platform, there is a lot of passive rewarding program that is on the platform that enable you to make nothing less than 525K in 1 month. Okay, if that is sound interesting to you, make sure you watch the next video that's going to pop up that explain to you how I was able to practically show you how to actually make over 500K in this business. This is going to be a mind-blowing training. It's free of charge. And of course, also subscribe to the channel, which is Legit Cash Business TV, and hit up the bell notification icon, because we make updates every day on the channel that explain how to actually start and run a telecom business in Nigeria and scaling it to making over ₦1 million a month for completely free of charge. We're actually doing all this training for free of charge, just like this very video they are watching right now. And of course, the one that I showed you to watch that is popping up on the screen right now, I'll show you how to actually make over 500K without spending your money on any of these services that you are going to be buying on this platform. So watch that video and then thank me later and take action by registering and also from your wallet to do transaction on the platform, which is cashalert.com.ng. I am my host, Mr. Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, keep winning.